Click the calibration software to calibrate the RFID label paper and chip to obtain accurate values. Change language. Click Printer to perform paper calibration. Select printer model. Click here. If a whole label comes out, the paper output is normal. Click here to detect chip location. Next, calibrate the chip position. Start testing. It will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Click here to write chip position data to the printer. Write successfully. Remember here, this is the label paper size. Open the bartender software. Change language. Create a new blank document. Select printer. Select this printer. Complete the selection and click Close. Right-click the mouse and select Page. Label length is 55 mm. Altitude reference calibration software values. Based on this value, it can be a little smaller than it. Click here to set all values to 0. Select RFID plugin. Tip: select hexadecimal. Insert a text. Double-click text. Name the data source 1, and the function here is called sharing. It can print the contents of the chip on the surface of the label. If the label surface and chip content are inconsistent, you do not need to select Document Sharing. Click here. Click on the Shared Database 1. Insert into our own database. Open Excel. The data must be in the form of columns. Excel only supports this format. Insert into our own database. Select the Excel sheet just now. Choose to import the first one. You can browse the data that was just imported here. Double-click text. Click here. Select the database data to be associated. Click to print. Click to use database. You can select the data you need to enter. If you don't know which data you want to print, you can click here to view it. You can directly select data to print. Click to print. After printing, press the Feed button to display a few more labels for easy reading of data. The data we just entered was successfully entered into the chip.